Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Clicks Before Coffee, and in today's video we are going to look at free Google Analytics demo accounts. Yes, that's right, you can access demo accounts from Google for Google Analytics 4. So why is this feature there? In case, let's say, suppose if you are a student, a beginner, and you don't have a website or you don't have an application ready for you to learn Google Analytics, these demo accounts can help you a lot. So what exactly is this Google Analytics for demo accounts? There are two type of demo accounts that Google will give you access to. Number one is the Google Merchandise Shop. That is a website where Google sells all its merchandises all over the world, and all of this e-commerce website data flows into this one demo account, which is for the merchandise shop. The other one is a gaming application which is called the Floodit. So all of the information insights of this gaming application Floodit you will be able to see through this demo account. Now, without further wasting time, let's go ahead and let's look at my screen and see how can we access these accounts. Now, as you can see that I've got the Google Merchandise website, and you can see that there are a lot of products which are available in this website. That is, it's got some brands, it's got apparels, it's got lifestyle accessories, stationery. You've got a few holiday collections, artist series, autumn winter collection. Okay, they may be some t-shirts or stationery that they are selling in the merchandise shop from Google, right? So this data will go directly into these demo accounts. The second, like I said, is an application called the Floodit. This is the application that you will get to see the insights for, and it's basically a gaming application. It's a game, and let's see how can we access the demo accounts for Google Analytics 4 for these websites and apps. Now what we will do is we'll just open up a browser. The first thing that you need to do is you need to be synced with your Google account. So this is the Google account where I want the data to go into. So what we will do is we'll just go ahead and on google.com, okay, we'll just search Google Analytics demo account, okay, and click on enter. And the first option there for Google Analytics demo account is this one, which is GA4 demo account analytics help. You will be able to find this under support.google.com, and this is the article for the demo account. If I scroll down, you should be able to see. So right at the bottom, you will see that there are two properties. One is the Google Analytics 4 property for merchandise store, which is for web data, and the second one is for the Floodit application. So I'll click on the first one, okay, and this should take me to my analytics account. And if I've already logged into my analytics account with the correct email address, with the correct Google account, with the correct Google email address, then I should be able to see the data right away. Now, as you can see, it shows me the website data right away. Right at the top, if you click on all accounts, you will not be able to see it, okay. Mind you, this is only for viewing. You will not have admin access to this account. So where can you see this? You just go to the recent option right at the top. You've got the recent button. You click on this, and then you will be able to see the demo account Google Merch Shop, right? I have accessed, and it's showing here. Similarly, we go back to the article and we click on Google Analytics 4 property for Floodit, that is app and website data combined. And if we click on this, it's again going to take us to our Google Analytics 4 account, and here you will be able to see the data for the Floodit application right away, okay. So you will be able to see this is, you can see the active users, new users, all of this data that you see right now in front of you right now is going to be the application Floodit. All of this insights is there. So like I said, you will not get admin access, but there is a lot of things that you can do with the data that you will have for both these website and your application data stream or property, okay. So what is the use for you to use these demo accounts? First of all, it's absolutely free and there is zero risk of messing up anything. You just go in, you can build reports and you can see data for yourself. You get to learn Google Analytics 4 hands-on without needing any website or any application. It's perfect for beginners, students, or even if you are teaching Google Analytics 4 to others in your organization or in your agency. Like if you have a course or if you build a workshop for Google Analytics 4 and you're teaching to others, this is the perfect account for you to use. There is absolutely no risk for using this demo account that Google is giving you, right? So that's it for today's video, guys. In case if this video has been very informative to you, please like, subscribe and press the bell notification so that you do not miss on any future videos in this course, in this series that we're building for Google Analytics 4. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Until the next one, take care. Bye bye.